Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to stream to YouTube with OBS Studio in 2026. First, open OBS Studio on your computer and make sure you have a YouTube channel that is ready for live streaming. You should also have a stable internet connection before starting your stream. Open OBS Studio and create a new scene. In the Scenes panel, click the plus button and give your scene a name, such as YouTube Live. Next, add the sources you want to show during the stream. You can add display capture for your entire screen, window capture for a specific application, game capture for gameplay, and video capture device for your webcam. After adding your sources, arrange them in the OBS preview. Resize and move each source until your stream layout looks the way you want. Now open the Settings menu and go to the Stream section. Select YouTube as your streaming service if it is available, then connect your YouTube account or enter the required stream credentials according to the current OBS and YouTube setup. After connecting your account, open the output settings. Choose an appropriate streaming encoder and bitrate based on your computer and internet connection. If you're unsure, start with the recommended settings and adjust them after testing. Next, open the video settings. Choose your base canvas resolution and output resolution. For many streams, 1080p can provide a clear picture, but the best setting depends on your hardware and upload speed. Now check your audio. Speak into your microphone and watch the audio mixer in OBS. Make sure your microphone level is clear without constantly reaching the maximum. Also check your desktop or game audio if you're using it.